Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. As you know that in our last lecture we discussed about the photoelectric effect and along with its definition we discussed the experimental setup for photoelectric effect and we discussed the working of the photoelectric effect and we also discussed the maximum kinetic energy of the photoelectrons which are emitted by a metallic surface when it is exposed to sunlight depend upon the stopping potential, that we can measure the maximum kinetic energy by stopping potential. Now in this lecture we discuss the experimental results which we found by experiment of photoelectric effect, and along with experimental results we discuss the explanation of the experimental results by using the classical theory, and after that inshallah we discuss the explanation of the experimental results by using the photon theory of the light. So let's start. First we discuss that how intensity affect the photoelectric current inside a circuit. As we know that when a metallic plate is exposed to sunlight, then there is emission of electrons from the metallic surface, and these electrons we call the photoelectrons, and when these electrons move inside a circuit, the current flow inside a circuit which we detect by using this ammeter or by using galvanometer. The electrons which are emitted from this metallic surface we call that electron photoelectrons, and the current flowing inside that circuit due to photoelectron, that current we call the photocurrent. Now we checked it. If we increase the intensity of the light falling on a metal surface, then how it's affect the photocurrent. Experimentally we find that if we increase the intensity of light while keeping the voltage constant and the frequency of light constant, then the photoelectrons emitted from the metallic surface increases. Here if we kept this voltage constant, here we applied 50,000 volt, 220 volt, any voltage we apply here, we kept it constant, we not changing this voltage, and along with we kept the frequency of this radiation constant, mean we use either red color light, we either use the X-rays, gamma rays, but we just keep its frequency constant, we just increase the intensity. Intensity we mean that we make the light brighter. Clear? We not use the dim light, we make it brighter and brighter, and we checked it. When we increase the intensity of the light, then there is emission of the more and more photoelectrons. So when obviously number of photoelectron increases, then the current flowing inside a circuit also increases. Clear? When intensity of the light falling on a metallic surface increases, then there is increase of the current inside a circuit. You can say that the intensity of the light falling on a metallic surface directly relate with the the current flowing inside a circuit directly relate with the intensity of the light falling on a metallic surface. Greater will be the intensity of the light, greater will be the photoelectrons emitted from the circuit, and greater will be the photocurrent flowing inside a circuit. So the photocurrent flowing inside a circuit directly proportional to the intensity of the light falling on a metallic surface. If we draw the graph between the intensity of the light and the photocurrent flowing in a circuit, then we get the linear graph, because photocurrent inside a circuit directly proportional to the intensity of the light falling on a metallic surface at a constant voltage and frequency. Here on x-axis we plot the intensity, and on y-axis we plot the photoelectric current. You know that x-axis we plot the quantity which is independent, and on vertical axis we plot the quantity which depend upon this quantity. Here photocurrent depend upon the intensity. So if we plot the graph between the photocurrent and intensity, then we get the linear graph. Means there is direct relation between the photocurrent and intensity, because on increasing the intensity of the light falling on a metallic surface, more photoelectrons are emitted from the metallic surface and more current flow inside a circuit. So by increasing intensity of a light at a constant frequency and potential, the current linearly increase with the intensity. We get this graph for variation of the photoelectric current with intensity of the incident radiation. If it goes increasing the intensity of incident radiation, then photocurrent also increases, and it's increases linearly. मीन इंटेंसिटी को हम 1 यूनिट इंक्रीज़ करेंगे या आपको जितना आपके पास इंटेंसिटी में चेंज आएगा उसी के अकॉर्डिंग आपके पास उतना ही चेंज आपके पास फोटो करंट का भी आएगा, बिकॉज फोटो करंट इज द फ्लो ऑफ द फोटो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. सो व्हेन यू इंक्रीज द इंटेंसिटी, then more and more photo electrons emitted from the metal surface, and more will be the current inside a circuit surface. So inside a circuit you get the linear graph if you plot the intense photo current versus intensity.